Hey everyone, welcome back to Ionis Tech. Just when we thought Xiaomi was finished with their new lineup, they've surprised us again. A new leak has just surfaced from Europe, and it looks like the Redmi Note 15 family is getting a new member. And this one might be the budget king we've been waiting for. Let's dive in. So, a European retailer has quietly listed the Redmi Note 15 Pro 4G. Yes, you heard that right. A 4G variant. And this isn't just a rumor. Units are reportedly already in stock. Now, what's different inside? Instead of the Dimensity 7400 Ultra found in the 5G version, this phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G200 Ultra. While it's not exactly a gaming powerhouse, it is more than capable of handling your everyday tasks smoothly. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage right out of the box. And here is the best part for content creators and storage lovers. Unlike the 5G model, the 4G version actually keeps the microSD card slot. So you can expand your storage without relying on cloud subscriptions. Talking about the camera, Xiaomi didn't cut corners here. They are bringing over the same massive 200MP main sensor from the 5G Pro model. That means you're getting flagship-level detail at a much lower price. The display is an OLED panel sized at 6.77 inches. It drops slightly to 1080p resolution, but that helps with battery life. The battery specs are insane. We are looking at a huge 6,500 mAh battery paired with 45W fast charging. On a 4G network, this phone could easily last you 2 days. Now let's talk money. An Italian retailer listed the 8GB 256GB model for around $293, which converts to roughly $320 USD. This price point undercuts the 5G model significantly, while keeping the best features like that 200MP camera and huge battery. With stores already teasing a coming soon tag, an official announcement is likely just around the corner. If this pricing holds up, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 4G could easily be the best value mid-range phone in Europe this year. What do you guys think? Is the lack of 5G a deal breaker for you, or is that 200MP camera and lower price worth it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to Ionis Tech for more tech leaks and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.